personality who believes that success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. He has scored 82.5% in 10th standard. He has represented our school handball team at district level and is a proud candidate of NCC. He aspires to be a doctor. Miss Sakshi is an active NCC cadet and an enthusiastic sports person. She has brought Lawrence to the school by participating 2 times at national level basketball competition. She went for skipping at state level and she is also in athletics. She wants to become a CA. Now it's we wish both of them grand success.
Yeah, about it.
Now I would like to call Discipline Prefect Shoaib Ansari and Purvi Agrawal. Shoaib secured 85% in 10th standard. He is national level shot put and state level judo player. He is NCC cadet too. He wants to become doctor. Purvi secured 87.8% in 10th standard. She is state level player of basketball and taekwondo. She secured second position in debate inter-school competition. She is also NCC cadet too. She wants to become event manager.
Following the trade is the new sports prefect, Master Ronit Modi and Miss Hia Vashi. Ronit has scored 77% in 10th standard. He is a committed sport person and had made contribution to the school basketball and cricket team at state and district level. He wants to join National Basketball Association. Miss Hiyavashi has proudly represented the school at various district and state level competition. She endorses everyone with her sweetness and innocence. She wants to do MBA from IIM. We wish both of them good luck. Students, please give them a big round of applause.
Now I would like to call Literary Prefect Milan Patel and Vishwa Panch. Milan secured 93.6% in 10th standard. He stood first in Surat district VVM exam and district level chess player. He stood second in spellophone competition. He wants to become software engineer. Vishwa secured 94% in 10th standard. She is district level table tennis player. She stood first in PPT competition and stood first in debate competition. She is NCC cadet too. She wants to become entrepreneur. Thank you, respected sir. Thank you, principal sir.
Now I'd like to request Paresh sir, principal of SVV Gujarati Medium, and Mrs. Aradhana Verma, principal of Vashish Genesis, to please come forward to do the honors. We're starting to honor captains and vice captains of different houses. Blue House Captain Master Ayush has scored 76% in 10th standard. He has participated in yoga competition at national and international level. He is also an NCC cadet and wants to become a successful businessman. Miss Ashvi Vasani has scored 81.8% in 10th standard. She is a state level basketball player and wants to become an interior designer. Students, please give them a big round of applause.
Now it's turn of Vice Captain of Blue House, Ayushi Tripathi and Mahashweta Sundarjan. Ayush Tripathi secured 85% in 9th standard. He is a state level basketball player. He wants to become aerospace engineer. Mahashweta secured 95% in 9th standard. She is the participant of Shakespearean's Parampara 2021 and she wants
Master Anurag has participated in athletics competition at state level. He is one of our NCC cadet and has scored 85% in 10th standard. He wants to become a doctor. Miss Mahi has scored 81% in 10th standard. She is a state level basketball player and also a NCC cadet. Her aim is to become a IAS officer.
Now, I would like to call Red House Vice Captain Pranav Pathak and Nandini Desai. Pranav secured 90% in 9th standard. He is a state level handball player. He wants to become neurologist. Nandini secured 93% in 9th standard. She is a state level skating medalist in 2 hours non-stop skating for 2 times. She stood second in solo singing.
Master V. Shah and Ms. Trupti Kesari are the new Yellow House captains for this year. Master Veer has scored 78% in 10th standard. He has participated at state level in badminton and skipping competition. He wants to become a lawyer. Ms. Trupti Kesari, she scored 79% in 10th standard. She has a praiseworthy performance in inter-house and inter-school competition. She is a national level karate player and also an NCC cadet. She aspires to become a human resource manager. We wish both of them best of luck.
Now it's turn of Yellow House Vice Captains Aniket Jha and Lavishka Vaishnav. Aniket secured 93% in 9th standard. He is table tennis player. He wants to become aerospace engineer. Lavishka secured 93% in 9th standard and she stood first in English skit and Hindi storytelling competition. As well as she stood second in three-legged race competition.
Last but not the least, captains and vice captains of Greenhouse. Students, Master Krishna has scored 80% in 10th standard. He played dart at district level. He is an active NCC cadet. He aspires to join civil services with an intention of serving the nation as a responsible citizen. Himanshi Sharma. She has scored 79.8% in 10th standard. She is a state level football player and NCC cadet too. She wants to become a journalist.
Vice captains of Greenhouse, Aditya Goswami and Riya Kaneria. Aditya secured 92% in 9th standard. He is a state level basketball player and he attended national level basketball camp. He wants to become neurosurgeon. Riya secured 93% in 9th standard. She is a district level badminton and skipping player. She wants to become an entrepreneur.
We the newly elected Student Council of SVV do solemnly
In
the presence of God and this assembly to abide by the rules and regulations that govern our institution and to be honest and true to the core values that it stands for. We promise to carry out the duties and responsibilities entrusted to us with courage and conviction, and above all, to uphold the integrity of our alma mater at all the times. We hereby affirm that we will always honor the faith and trust reposed in us and work selflessly and tirelessly for the prestige glory of our school. Jai Hind.
Thank you, students. Now I'd like to request
फोटो बढ़ जा मस्त आवाज
Now please stand up. We'll have last anthem.